Hello everyone. I hope all are doing good at home. I, Rashmi Patil from Computer Engineering Department, Navasayadri Education Society's group of institutions, Pune, welcomes you all for journey of learning Python programming language. As we know, computer won't understand English language. It understands only machine level languages. To be a computer engineer or a software engineer, first of all, we should know programming languages. So there are different programming languages like C, C++, Java, C Sharp.NET, and Python. So we will learn the basics of Python in coming 5 days. That is, the course is on Introduction to Python. So in this, first of all, we are going to see Python is the fastest growing programming language. Then what is Python? Then why to learn Python? Why Python? Python name history. Like why Python, the programming language has got the name Python. Then Python versions. There are different versions in the Python. So that we are going to see. So this is the outline of the today's first lecture. So first of all, Python is a fastest growing programming language. In terms of numbers of developers using it, in terms of libraries available, number of companies using it, and various areas that can be used Python like machine learning, artificial intelligence, image processing, and graphical user interface. GUI. GUI stands for graphical user interface. Next, what is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language. That Python is also one programming language which we use for coding purpose. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, and high-level programming language. It is procedure-oriented programming language. Like C programming language is a procedure-oriented programming language, and C++ and Java are the object-oriented programming language. But Python supports both procedure as well as object-oriented programming language. Now, high-level programming language. What is high-level programming language? Is the program looks like a English language. It is very similar to the English language, which human can understand. That is high-level programming language. Like we have different levels of programming languages, like high-level programming language, machine-level programming language, and one more is a assembly-level programming language. So Python is the high-level programming language, which is a human readable, and machine-level programming language is the language which will be understood by the computer, which will be in the binary format. That is, everything will be in the form of 1 and 0. 1 is nothing but the on, and 0 is nothing but the off. So everything will be in the form of 1 and 0s. Reasons why we should learn the Python. Because perfect for rookies. Community, there are many career opportunities. Python is also used for web developments. Python is used for artificial intelligence and machine learning. And Raspberry Pi and many of the corporates or startups are using the Python for their projects. So we have many opportunities in this Python programming language. Hence, we need to learn the Python. Now, why Python? We have many languages. Just now I have to like C, C++, Java. Then why I'm selecting Python to code my program, to write or do my project, why I'm selecting the Python. So first of all, it is free and open source. Like we don't need to pay anything, just download it freely and it is available to use it. It is highly readable. Like human understands it easily by seeing the program, what the program will do, by seeing the code. So it is highly readable. Like for printing purpose, we are using the print. If we see print, we will understand this is for the printing purpose. So that is a highly readable. Memory management is available. Then clean visual layout is available. It supports OOPS, that is object oriented programming. Then the performance is high. So we are going for the Python programming language to do the coding. Now in machine learning and artificial intelligence, many of the researchers or scientists working on it. Like if I'm using some other language, there are not that many libraries available as of the Python, and it becomes difficult to learn. So the researchers don't want to waste their time in learning the programming language. What they will do, they will use the Python, because Python is the easiest programming language, and also it has many libraries. We will know about the libraries in coming days. So in by like if I want to use something, instead of writing 1,000-line code, I will use one simple library which is available in the Python, like inbuilt, and in one line my work will be done. Various companies that are using the Python are Google, YouTube, Yahoo, NASA, and Reddit. Reddit completely developed in Python itself. Now, why name as Python? The author of the Python is Guido van Rossum. When he was scripting this language, or when he was implementing Python, that time he was reading the published script of Monty Python's Flying Circus. That is a British movie. And also he was searching one good name for this programming language which he was implementing. He wanted short, unique, and slightly mysterious name for this language. And at that time, he selected Python as a name. There are different versions available for Python. First version, which came into existence in 94, second in 2000, and third also in 2000. Like these are the versions, like after developing the Python, they have given as a version 1. Then when they added some features, more features, they gave it as a version 2. And more features were added that time. They gave the version 3 and so on. Now it is derived from ABC, Modular 3, C, C++, and so on. These are also programming languages or the scripting languages. The Python is derived from these programming and scripting languages. The latest version available in Python is 3.8.3. At present, the available to download is 3.7. And this doesn't mean like I'm using the Python 3 or latest version is Python 3. That doesn't mean Python 2 is not available. Python 2 is also available and it is also used in the market. But few added features are there in the Python 3 which we can use. So we can go for the latest version. So thank you for your patience and thank you for listening this. I hope it will be useful for you. Have a great day.